What we're gonna do is we're gonna show customers all about the promotions at Purity Cylinder Gases. Because it's Christmas time and nobody celebrates Christmas harder than Purity. You can Google it. So the first thing we should show people are the machines.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the machines. Buy the 211 Pro and get a fancy classic helmet free.
All right, buy the Lincoln PowerMig 211i and get a free backpack and free spool gun with purchase.
Also, pick up one of these sweet carts, put your machines on. Tyler,
Yeah,
what's your favorite helmet?
the Miller Digital Infinity.
You are in luck because now if you buy one, you'll get one of these.
Hey Keith, what's your favorite helmet?
The Lincoln 2450 ADV, duh!
Well, if you buy one of those now, you'll get one of these cups.
Yes! If you buy a select 3M helmet, you'll get one of these. 3M, Yeti. Hey Tyler,
Hi.
what does somebody get if they buy a PowerMax 45 sink? You're gonna get consumables from Hypertherm, a whole bunch of them. You're gonna get consumables from Purity. You wanna know what you're gonna get?
Looks like you're gonna get a drag cutting cartridge, you're gonna get a gouging cartridge, and you're gonna get your little reader here, your RFID reader.
And we're gonna throw in a Yeti cup for you. Look at all these sweet cutting outfits we have. Tyler,
Yes, Keith.
what's Purity gonna give somebody if they buy this medalist outfit?
Well, you get a free cup.
What's somebody gonna get if they buy this contender outfit?
You get a free cup.
For a limited time, buy two Milwaukee tools, and we're gonna give you a free battery. That's an XC 5.0 battery. If you buy a select 8-inch Milwaukee metal cutting saw, we're gonna give you 2 free blades. Buy 3, get 1 free.